I'm Trui. We're gonna see what's in it. And I'm holding a pop filter. It came with the microphone, okay? So this is the package. Obviously there's a microphone in here. It's pretty small. Like you see, it's smaller than my hand and I don't have big hands, okay? Then we have a shock mount. This you need to actually put on your arm, and then if you put your microphone in here, you don't have shocks from your table. So if you would hit your table or if you would be typing, those sounds wouldn't be as prominent in your microphone. So that's why we need this. This is a wind filter. Basically it stops the wind from blowing in from outside, but also if you do this. That's also wind, you know. Cables, probably just to connect it to the PC. Backup accessories. Oh, it's for the shock mount. It's like if these things break, you get new ones. You can replace them. And then we have, this is where we attach the boom arm to the table. And then we have the boom arm here as well. Boom. Arm. That was the worst joke ever. Oh, it's a stand. So if you don't want to use the boom arm, you can also just put it on this stand on your desk. Just like that. We don't need this box for now. Out of the way. What we're going to do now is set up this boom arm. We want to get it in here. But this is actually pretty hard to do. So what we're going to do is attach this on first to the desk. More. There we go. So we're going to put this in. We have to unscrew this a little bit, otherwise it wouldn't fit. And then we put this in here. There we go. We can screw this if you want it to be tight and on its place. But I want it to be able to turn a little bit, so I won't screw it too much in. There's a manual if you don't know how to do it, and it will tell us how to do it. You can do it with this or just with the boom arm, but I recommend using the boom arm when you can. So we're gonna grab the shock mount and we're gonna attach that. It should be able to attach here on this like copper part. Turn this down. There we go. Then here we can unscrew this bottom part. Be careful not to drop everything on the ground. That would be a shame. It should come loose eventually. There we go. We got this loose. Then what we're gonna do is grab this mic, put it in here, through the shock mount, and then this other one we're gonna need to screw back up. And it will lock the microphone in place. There we go. Now it can't go out anymore. We can just turn it. You can adjust it here as well. You can adjust all the mic arm things here to make it more tight. So if you want it like to be more tight, do it one way. You can also make it more loose and then you can move it all around. But this is not really convenient. So I recommend you tightening it up a little bit. And make sure that you have it kind of close to your mouth. We can use this wind filter. You do not have to if you don't want to, but why not? Give him the winter hat. And then the pop filter, this is for P sounds, so if I say p, p, p a lot, this will actually block the wind. You can also just only use this one, but if you use both, I mean, it works better. You know, more the better. You don't have to, but I'm gonna do it both now. Why not? We're gonna attach this to the arm. And then bring it in front of the mic. You might need to like adjust the arm again because it's going to be heavier the more things you attach to it. We need to connect it to a PC, so therefore we need this cable. It will fit in here. Oh, there we go. I'm a pro attaching cables. The other one just goes into your USB slot. So what I want to do now is actually test this microphone and see how it sounds. This is an audio test from the FIFINE microphone, the T669 kit. So with the arm, with all the accessories. So this is how that one sounds like. So I just listened to this microphone and it sounds pretty good, to be honest. I have to say the arm is super tiny, so if you have a bigger desk and you want it further away, you probably want a bigger arm. If you guys are on a limited budget and you need to get a microphone for your stream, this one looks amazing because it is like on arm and everything, so it looks super professional. You can tap on your desk without like having it come true because you got this shock mount. You got everything you need to start streaming.